The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Chicken noodle soup, Pho Ga, is the lighter, gentler cousin of the celebrated Pho Bo. Traditionally, this meal-in-a-bowl noodle soup is made with beef, but the Vietnamese have perfected a chicken version that is every bit as satisfying. The broth is delicate and fragrant, perfumed with ginger, cinnamon, and spring onions rather than the heavier star anise and clove profile of beef pho. The soup is popular at any time of day or night, and is often enjoyed for breakfast in Vietnam, where steaming bowls appear on sidewalks and in market stalls before dawn. Pho Ga is believed to originate in Hanoi, where the cool northern climate makes a hot bowl of soup an ideal morning meal. The chicken broth should be clear and golden, with a sweetness that comes naturally from gently simmered chicken bones rather than added sugar. The chicken meat is tender and juicy, never overcooked, and the bowl is finished with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lime, and a dash of chili and soy sauce for those who like heat. For the broth, chicken stock or 4-5 stock cubes dissolved in water, 10 cups. Fresh chicken, 1 pound. Cinnamon stick, 1. Spring onions, cut into lengths, 4. Fresh ginger root, peeled and bruised, 1-inch piece. Sugar, 2 teaspoons. Sugar, 2 teaspoons. Fish sauce, 2 tablespoons. For the bowls, dried rice stick noodles or rice vermicelli, 10 ounces. Bean sprouts, seed coats and tails removed, blanched, 4 cups. Onion, thinly sliced, 1. Ground white pepper, to taste. For garnish, bunch fresh coriander leaves, sliced, 1. Bunch fresh Thai basil or mint leaves, 1. Lime, cut into sections, 1. For dipping. Finger-length red chilies, deseeded and sliced, placed in a small bowl with soy sauce, 2. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Prepare the chicken. Rinse the chicken pieces under cold water. For the clearest broth, you may parboil the chicken briefly. Place it in a pot of boiling water for 2-3 minutes, then drain and rinse again. This removes surface impurities and produces a cleaner tasting broth. 2. Char the aromatics. For greater depth of flavor, dry roast the ginger and spring onion whites in a hot skillet or directly over gas flame until slightly charred and fragrant. This step, recommended by both Serious Eats and Delightful Plate, adds a smoky sweetness that elevates the broth. Bruise the ginger with the flat of a knife to release its oils. 3. Start the broth. Place the chicken stock, chicken pieces, cinnamon stick, spring onions, ginger, sugar, and salt in a large stock pot. Bring to a boil over high heat, skimming off the foam and fat that float to the surface. Reduce the heat to low and simmer gently for 45 minutes, continuing to skim periodically. The broth should remain clear and golden, never cloudy. 4. Remove and shred the chicken. After 45 minutes, check that the chicken is cooked through. The juices should run clear when pierced with a chopstick. Remove the chicken from the broth and set aside to cool. When cool enough to handle, shred the meat along the grain into thin strips. Avoid overcooking, as the meat should remain tender and moist. 5. Finish and strain the broth. Stir the fish sauce into the broth and remove from the heat. Strain the broth through a fine sieve to remove all solids, the cinnamon stick, spring onions, ginger, and any remaining chicken bones. Return the clear broth to the pot and keep it warm over very low heat. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. 6. Blanch the noodles. Bring a pot of water to a boil over medium heat. Add the dried noodles and blanch until soft, about 5 minutes for rice stick noodles or 2 minutes for thin rice vermicelli. Remove, rinse with cold water to stop the cooking, and drain thoroughly. 7. Prepare the garnishes. Slice the onion paper thin. Roughly chop the coriander leaves. Pick the basil or mint leaves from their stems. Cut the lime into wedges. Slice the chilies, deseed them, and place them in a small dipping bowl with soy sauce. Cooking steps. 1. Assemble the bowls. Divide the blanched rice noodles among individual serving bowls, placing them at the bottom of each bowl. 2. Add the toppings. Top the noodles with the blanched bean sprouts, shredded chicken, and thinly sliced raw onion. The layering matters, noodles first, then vegetables, then chicken on top so it warms through when the hot broth is added. 3. Ladle the broth. Pour the steaming hot broth into each bowl, covering the noodles and toppings completely. The broth should be just below a boil to ensure it is piping hot when served. 4. Garnish and season. Sprinkle each bowl with ground white pepper. Garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves and Thai basil or mint. The herbs should be added at the last moment so they stay vibrant and aromatic. 5. Serve immediately. Serve hot with lime wedges on the side and the small bowl of sliced chilies and soy sauce. Let each diner squeeze lime juice into their bowl and add chili soy to taste. The lime brightens the broth, while the chili soy adds a savory kick.